Welcome to the Savage Productions YouTube channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Savage Productions YouTube channel. Welcome to episode 2 of the 416 Camaro build. We're going to go ahead and get this thing pulled out right now, so please enjoy this time lapse. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get the clutch and flywheel taken off of this so we can get it on the engine stand. We need to get one of those plates that you can lift the engine out with. It actually goes where the valley cover goes. But we just found out, because we were looking for bolts for this thing to put it onto the engine stand. Dad actually bought some bolts here to fit a Coyote engine, and they're the same exact size. So, what do you know? LS and Coyote got some in common.
Got the same damn bell housing bolts.
I mean, what's your saying? Once you get down to the short block, it's just an engine?
Yeah, it's just a motor. It's all the same shit.
Just a motor. That's all it is.
It's like a diesel motor.
Yeah, just a motor.
I've built diesel motors too. It's just a motor.
All you guys saying just because he's worked on Fords, he has no idea what he's doing with an LS? Here you go.
It's all the same shit.
Look, the engine's out. No problem.
It's all the same shit. I started building two-stroke motors when I was 11 years old.
Jeez.
Actually, younger than that. I think I had a YZ80 that I used to race. I think I was 11. Yeah, 11 and 12. And yeah, I actually built that thing. Shit, I was actually out riding with 125s and shit, and out running them with a little 80. I thought it was a shit.
Probably.
I wasn't, but I thought.
Hasn't changed much.
Yeah. I thought I was, but I wasn't.
So you use a little bit of a pry action here before you get the bolts all the way out?
Well, I got them all out except one. There we go. I just don't want it to fall.
Yeah.
Because it's a new clutch.
Yeah.
He said it was the guy said he replaced it.
He said it was a twin disc though.
It don't look too new.
It don't look too new at all. It also does not look like a twin disc, considering
wow,
it
look
has.
at the heat on that, man.
Wow, that's crazy. It's like in two different spots.
Well, I guess it got real hot, and then whenever you stop it, then that's where the heat ends up in just in one spot.
That's weird.
Yeah, see, it did.
Oh yeah, same thing on the pressure plate.
Oh wow, that sucks.
It's probably going to need a clutch then.
I mean, it should.
Well, I don't know, for the power.
Look, the freaking. I mean, they almost wore completely down. There's not. Yeah. There's usually, 1/16 of an inch of a gap in here, at least a 1/16. See, look at this side. It's not as bad. See the gap? That just stinks. So there's freaking more money he's got to spend, you know.
Yeah. So. Try to do everything that we can for the least amount of money, but sometimes you just find things like this. I mean, the engine. He didn't know that the engine needed to be kind of fixed, and that's why we originally changed plans. Pretty much gave a recap, and this particular cylinder, you can see the scratching like right there in the middle, right here. All those little scratches from up there to there. That's the reason why we need to take this thing out, build it right. We're going to do 416 stroker. We'll see what he says about the clutch. I'm sure he'll want to replace it because he's been wanting to do everything right.
Oh yeah.
It just kind of sucks.
He'll fix it. I mean, he'll do it.
Well, plus he wants to build it for the future as well, so he'll probably want a really nice clutch put in there. That way, I think he's going to do nitrous in the future because that's what he wanted to do before this. He might do nitrous in the future, and we'll see where it goes.
You might even put a supercharger on it down the road.
Yeah.
We'll get a keep it around 11-to-1 compression, so he can still put a supercharger on it,
Right.
At 11-to-1.
Gotcha. Well, let's get this flywheel off, and we'll get her strapped on the old stand here. I just put this thing together this morning.
How about that, huh?
We bought 2 of them recently from Harbor Freight, and they've really come in handy. We still don't even when using all 3 of these, we don't have enough to have all the blocks up on engine stands. All right, we got all the bolts backed off here. See if it can come loose.
Yep.
That looks promising. Here we go. All right, gonna get this loose and get it mounted on the engine stand here.
I said that thing must have some freaking power to spin that heavy thing over. I bet that thing weighs 25 pounds.
No wonder LS guys talk good about their engine.
That son of a bitch is heavy. I know you gotta have a little bit of weight for the inertia, but my God.
Gotta make some power.
Damn right.
So we actually think the oil pan gasket was leaking right there.
Yeah.
It's not that bad on this side. Oh no, Dad, are you sure you can handle this?
I don't know, it's a little bit different, ain't it?
Never put a bracket on an LS before. I don't know if you could do this. All right, so we did get it on the engine stand. We had to call somebody.
You know they're gonna believe that now.
If you believe that, you should unsubscribe. All right, so we are actually gonna get this thing disassembled ourselves, and we're gonna get it right over to the machine shop. So I don't know if you all have ever built a stroker motor or not, but it's pretty simple. I mean, all you have to do is just have the machine shop do all the machine work, and then you assemble it yourself. So yeah, we got the old LS engine back from the machine shop. Again, this is going to be the 416 cubic inch build. It's looking really nice. Got all new bearings and everything, of course. Machine shop did a pretty good job. Just wanted to get a nice overview of it before I release Dad onto this thing. So Dad's going to spend time assembling this week. I'm not going to be here, so he's going to set up the camera and tripod, get me some nice footage, and get you all some nice footage as well so you can watch it. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed those recordings from Dad. I know he put lots of tech tips in there and whatnot, so hope that you all learned something. We're gonna go ahead and cut the video off here. Dad's gonna go ahead and finish up putting all the pistons and rings in, and we'll pick up on another video after that. Get the rest of the engine assembled, start dropping it in, and get the car running. So thank you all so much for watching. If you like what you saw and you want to see more on this build or any of the other builds we have going on in the shop, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified whenever we post a video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.